Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify smart thermostat integration with Google Home detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your smart thermostat is installed and properly set up according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner of the app to add a device. Select Setup Device from the menu that appears. Choose Works with Google to find and link compatible devices. In the list of services, locate your thermostat's brand. Tap on the brand name to start the integration process. Follow the prompts to sign in to your thermostat account. Grant necessary permissions for Google Home to access your thermostat. Once linked, return to the main screen of the Google Home app. Your thermostat should now be visible in the list of devices. Tap on the thermostat to check its status and control options. You can also create a group for your thermostat if desired. To verify voice control, make sure your Google Assistant is enabled. Say, "Hey Google, set the thermostat to desired temperature." Listen for confirmation that the command has been successfully executed. If your thermostat responds as expected, the integration is verified. For further troubleshooting, check the internet connection of both the thermostat and the Google Home device. Refer to both the thermostat's user manual and the Google Home help section for additional assistance if needed. Your smart thermostat integration with Google Home is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.